Okay, we are back. I'm trying to show you just the subwoofer because I didn't really go in more detail about it. But this is the s-w10d4 4-ohm subwoofer. Here's all the stuff. You can pause it, but that's what it is. 10-inch subwoofer, 4 ohms. And this is the subwoofer actually, So anyways, the cool thing I like about this too is it hides the screws, and it doesn't come with screws, so you gotta get 8 screws. Kind of sucks. I don't know why. Maybe mine just didn't come with them. But it comes with this cool gasket, so it looks clean, and you can just, you just push it in and shove it. I'll go in there and stuff. But also it comes with the, I don't know where the wires. These. So just the banana wires. So you hook them into. So what I did was I hooked them to negative. So pop them in. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna take that one out and put these one actually in there. But yeah, that's it. And they sound amazing. They're super loud. Like I have my 600 watt amp in there, and it bumps hard. Like this whole thing, it's almost like too loud. This whole thing just rattles. But definitely recommend these because I love them, and they're just sleek, and yeah, it's super nice. Let me get the other one open and I'll show you how I got all hooked up. So like I said, if you don't have them, I got this thing used, so it was missing the thing. And you might say, oh, why did you buy a used? Because I just really wanted to get this done, and it was pretty. I got a screaming deal, so I really couldn't pass it up. And if it dies, it dies. I'll just buy another one later, but it should last for a while, so I'm not really worried about it. So what we'll do is, it's all wired up, and get this. So what you gotta do is with these Alpines is the cool thing is you can just go like this and shove them in there. If I can with one hand. See, they just go like that. So we're doing this to making it to 2 ohm, or yeah, something like that. But it's gonna be like a 2 ohm anyways. And we just shove them in there. If I can. And that's it. And then now we gotta just hook up these and we're set. So black, positive, and blah blah, and put it back in. That's how you wire them up. In my case, you might do yours different to like 8 or 4 or whatever. So anyways, that's it. That's the sub 4-inch or 10-inch 4 ohm subwoofers. Get you one. I'll put down the link below.